Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on increasing or decreasing the text size on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. If you are finding it hard to read the text on your screen, or if the text is too big for you, you can easily adjust text size to make it better for you. Start by opening the Settings app. If you can't find the Settings app on your home screen, then it will be in the app drawer. In Settings, scroll down and select Display. In Display Settings, select Text Size. You can now drag the slider at the bottom left or right to decrease or increase the size of text on your phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.